Hi everybody, it's Mona Dan, founder of VIE Healing. Today I'm going to introduce you to our Bian Stone Gua Sha Tool. This is one of our newer Gua Sha tools and it is the all-encompassing tool. This could be used on the face, on the body, and all over. This tool is a little bit heavier than the other tools we do carry, which some people really like. Others rather use more lightweight tools, but this tool is really all-encompassing. It's great for the hair. It's great for the face, the neck, the décolleté, the legs, the back. This tool really gets in everywhere. With all the different sides and angles, you can really get into all the hard to reach places, and you can really get into the pressure points with these perfect position rounded edges. So let's get started using the Bian Stone tool. First, you're gonna grab your favorite oil that you use on your face. I am currently using an argan oil, but I do switch between argan and jojoba oils. That is what my skin prefers. These oils really work nicely on my skin to not really like overstimulate them, to make them break out. So I'm gonna show you how to use this tool on the neck, the décolleté. You can also use these tools on the hair. To start using it on the hair is great to bring blood circulation from the top down. When you do that, it just helps bring that elastin and collagen in and get things really, really pumped and moving so that you get that plumpness from under the skin coming out. To start, depending on how you like the stimulation, you could use a more focused stimulation right at the beginning of the hairline, or you can start within the hairline with like the broader edge and just stimulate. Get that blood circulation. Once the blood starts circulating, it's just gonna help you get what you want done much faster. So we have our wavy end. This end nicely fits on all the different angles of the face so that you can nicely glide. You have to have enough oil on the face so that the tool isn't stretching and creating wrinkles. So you have to have enough oil for a gentle, good glide on the face. To do gua sha is very unique on the face. On the body, we want redness, we want that stimulation, we want the petechia, we want like the blood vessels to kind of break. Here, we don't want that. So when people are going aggressively on their face, it's always a bad idea. Actually, the more gentle you move on your face, the better it is, because you're just reminding your face to bring blood circulation, elastin, collagen right under those fine lines. And it also helps with moving that connective tissue adhesion that happens when there's almost like this like toxicity that builds up in the blood that just needs blood flow. So bringing the blood flow brings water into the area, and water nourishes the body. So you see, I'm just moving extremely gentle. I'm not at a 45-degree angle. I'm not at a 90-degree angle. I'm more at a 45-degree angle. And this way you can nicely glide without stimulating the body too much. You can hold the skin so that it doesn't get pulled. And then you go into all these hard to reach places to get that overall relaxation. It feels so good. Let's move down our shoulders into the décolleté. Get that blood circulation. And yes, this is my favorite tool for whole body. Gua sha, again, it is heavier, so when you're using the tool, be really gentle with your hands. Don't hold it too tight because you don't want to injure your hands. Be really gentle with it and let it glide with the support of the oils that you use. Follow us on Instagram. We have a ton of information to bring wellness home to you so that you can really experience the wonders of TCM at home with VIE Healing.